The beat poppy on the beat.
Yeah.
Schoolboy music.
Yo chotase bafunsa waiti konda kurapa ise lyonse tifuna mastata daily tipazanga slave reason ni dream yetifuna okata life inakoso kukwatu making money is the motto kukwatu so kati mufuna kuziva vambili malume na papa tapela mkapwele kokwatu malume no offers a dream chaser self-employed nilipe jobu meant for the flaws ingamopu bachosa maflopu nikali na hopu one day is akabalanza all I do is pray I can't stop so pay me zokwana mahaf changa don't try to pay me mahafunga crop top nichoka kugeto bakamba kwe bafana bapepa chamba ufola wantuka bayangana balipe chifundo bafomo kustyapa mobaki kotini na fimbi smoking with it upina chinja kala every nigga claims to be sick so bachila patient kumunkwala sunga shanshe ngatuli softy pa street nyoka tichwena makofi ufile walimba mutima otherwise bafomo kupreza kudoti apana manjito yavuta you need the connection kungala conductor kunondwa mazichita mata kupondu peleka kompreti na bata waiti konda kurapa ise lyonse tifuna mastata daily tipazanga slave reason ni dream yetifuna okata life inakoso kukwatu making money is the motto kukwatu so kati mufuna kuziva vambili malume na papa tapela mkapwele kokwatu hobby. If it's not money, don't dare to call me. You better pay me back if you owe me. Ndafya liberty fundo my homies. Wavala swagi yo dulanga rich kid. Wali violent but they preach peace. Upoke was that if you look weak. No kudonsa na teza if you try to resist. Magelo na bondie West Valley Evo mukatu with a cute face. Apandie life here these days. If you want love, peasant drama festi. Madezi ya manjali daka. Majanki muhudu ya paka bakupela vili ponse olo ni slipa kufuna kupaya chafwaka chilaka ziwopaza noti kukamba wifia no man palesa kumwamba pay me some gratitude now notinka blow mkasa kile namba mama tiapwanga tasamba kapena tichoka kuma ya dologeto wala batalenti muzamba na future leader kuwa choka ni ghetto watu kulivonse vevisho tia malume ni manta bakupanta paliponse kulipati mulina mumkwala munapanda dropped a lot of songs yenesia napite patikali kuvoka they give me respect ikwatu don't see any reason kuleta kuvoka kulima dream chase abapaza ote kusakila ukapele kokwatu lule kudrama bafuna ngani ya chito note for drama kokwatu bafuna love they want to work hard for a good ukapele kokwatu wazani chito ili yose maninga this money they don't get usi kokwatu
The beat poppy on the beatbox.
Ukukwatu
Schoolboy music.
Ukukwatu